Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I think you are fine. And how is going your study? I think it is also going well. So as you see, today we're gonna start indefinite article. In previous class we discussed definition of article, types of article. There we came to know there are two types of articles: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article means which is fixed, the, and we went to the rules for the, and today we're gonna discuss the rules for a and n, in which purpose, which context we to put a and which context we to put n. So apart from these two, definition and indefinite, there are other types of article. Means zero article, means sometimes in the exam script you will see that you are asked to put cross somewhere, means in some cases no article is needed. So after finishing this we will go for omission of articles. There we will see where articles are not needed. So three segments we to go through: rules of the, rules of a or n, or omission of article. So today we are in the middle. We will go through the rules for a or a and n. And since we discussed multiple times in during our live class, means in our school, our college, so we had multiple sessions. I think you don't have that much problem, and still it is a silly topic that you have been going through this for since your primary school, whatever, for 5 or 10 years so far. So, but still we'll have a review and we'll nourish, or we'll try to look all the mistakes or all the confusions regarding article. So keep watching. We to start the rule. First rule, it says the article are is used before singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sounds. So three things here. So why would you put a? Means it should be singular and it should be countable and the sound should be consonant sounds. So there are two types of sounds: consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Vowel sounds means a, e, I, u, these words which comes with those sounds. So if the sound is consonant and if it is singular and countable, that way time we to put a. So what the example says: she doesn't own a car. I saw a bear at the zoo. So you see car, bear. This is single, means singular, and this is countable. We can count car, we can count bear, and at once they start with consonant sounds. So we say she doesn't own a car, car C. So it comes consonant sound. And second example, I saw a bear at the zoo. It also bear, so it comes consonant sound B. So simply the rule 1 says if the noun is singular, countable, and the sound is consonant, that time we to put a. Are you getting this? I think you got it. It's very simple. Let's move to rule 2. Rule 2 says the article n is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds. So the first rule we went through about consonant sounds. Now it comes vowel sounds. Means we to put n before singular countable nouns. So earlier one also before singular countable nouns. Here also singular countable nouns. But if the sound is vowel sound, that means the word we to pronounce, if it first letter is a, e, I, u, or the sound comes vowel, that time we to put n. So these two are actually very common and very primitive rules in case of article. And if you keep the things in your mind, so you will overcome many confusions. So I repeat, first one, it was in case of singular countable nouns but the sound is consonant, that time we to put a. But if the noun is singular countable but the sound is vowel sound, that time we to put n. So you see the examples here. He is an actor. She didn't get an invitation. I saw an eagle at the zoo. So this is the example. So it's an actor. invitation, then eagle. So all the words, the first letter is vowel, means they produce vowel sounds. So as they produce vowel sounds, so N to be used before the words. You understand? So that's how it comes. He's an actor. She didn't get an invitation. I saw an eagle. This much. So these two rules are very common and very simple to remember. I think you got this, and you'll do better in article in future. Well, so let's move to next rule, rule 3. So rule 3 says a common noun in the singular number always requires an article before it. So it doesn't matter with whatever it is abstract noun or proper noun, whatever, but if it is common noun and it is singular, so common noun means in general, which says the class or type. So that be time we to put a. So see the example, I saw a snake. So it doesn't mean that an individual snake, but it refers a random snake. Means if it is not fixed, not definite. So we know that these are indefinite articles. So if we find any random selection, that bottom we to put a. So the rule 3 is simply a common noun in the singular number always requires an article. So according to the sounds, we will put a or an. So but it will refer random, means not fixed, not selected. I saw a snake means it doesn't mean that this snake or something else. Are you getting? So common noun means which says the type, class. So a snake means entire a species from the entire snake group, but it doesn't mean that any snake nearby me or an individual or any fixed. Got it? Well, let's move to rule 4. Rule 4 says words beginning with consonant sounds proceed A, and words beginning with vowel sound proceed N. We learned this earlier, but there are some exceptions of it. You understand? So common rule or simple rule is that in case of vowel sound, A to be put, and in case of common sound, consonant sound, N to be used. But there are some special cases, many exceptions. In this case, things will be different. Like our university, our union, our useful book. You see that university, the first letter is U. So it is vowel. Union, useful book. But actually their first letter is vowel, but they pronounce in different way, special way. Like university, see U it comes, so not R. So if R comes, then the conventional things will happen. But at once union, useful. But if it is an umbrella, so that bit it will be N. You understand? That's why it is said a special case. So in this case, we to put A. And another one, a $1 million note, a one-man army. So it's the one here. One starts with O. So if it is an open field, that bit term it comes N. But in this case, one it expresses numerical values. So it is compound noun. So in this case, we to put A. Another one, you see some elaboration, abbreviation NMA, ABA, NLLB, ABSC. You see that 4 elaborations, abbreviations here. In 2 cases, N is used, and 2 cases A is used. Why? So you see that MA, LLB. In these 2 cases, N is used. So in these cases, if you notice, the sounds come. The sounds, first sound comes. It is actually vowel sound. So MA. So if you want to pronounce M, A comes first. A is a vowel sound. LLB. To pronounce L, A comes first. So it also vowel sound. So in case of vowel sound, whether it is elaboration, so we will take N. But BA, BSC, you see that if you want to pronounce it, B comes first, and B is a consonant sound. So in this case, A is used. So the conventional rule is that in case of vowel sound, N is used. In case of consonant sound, A is used. But there are some exceptions or special cases. In this case, we see that if U is pronounced like U, that bit we to put A, and if one is there and express numerical values with other noun, that time it will be a. But other cases like open field and orange, that time n would be there. And in case of abbreviation, we saw that whether the letter is consonant or, but if the sound is vowel sound, that time will take n, and if it is consonant sound, that time will take a. How it is? Did you get it? It's very important, and students make mistake with this, so you should be careful about this. Thank you. So let's move to next rule. Rule 5 says a or an sometimes makes a proper noun a common noun. So proper nouns generally do not take any articles, but when a proper noun needs to be used as a common noun, you must bring an a or an for it. So in general, it says that proper nouns do not take any article. It is not needed. But if a proper noun needs to be made common noun, that time article to be used. You got it? So that time a or an you can bring. So see the example, then it will be clear. He thinks he is a Shakespeare. He seems to be an Australian. So he thinks he is a Shakespeare, but actually it doesn't mean that the playwright Shakespeare or the famous dramatist writer Shakespeare, but rather you see here a comparison is made with Shakespeare. Means he thinks, means the person who is mentioned, he finds himself as Shakespeare. Means a similarity he finds resembles with Shakespeare. So that's why proper noun here, but actually it is categorized or it is used, it is identified as common noun. So in this case, we should take a or an. So according to the letter, first letter or sound, we will take a here. He seems to be an Australian. So here also, he is not actually Australian, but a comparison is made. So in this case, we should take article a or an. So according to the sound, Australian, vowel sounds come first. So we took n. You got it? Hopefully you got it. It's very simple. Let's move to next rule. Rule 6. It comes, intermediate articles often proceed descriptive by adjectives. For example, he's a good boy. What a nice car. So if you describe something, adjectives, we know that quality, quantity, number, things are described. So if you describe anything, that it comes descriptive adjectives. In this case, if you took an article, like a or an can be according to the sound next word. So he is a good boy. What a nice car. Got it? So it's very silly. That means in case of intermediate article, we should take also, in case of descriptive adjectives, we should take indefinite article. So a or an according to the sound there. How are you getting? Do you find the things easy or difficult? So if you watch with attention, I think things are very silly. Things are very known to you because we have gone through this multiple times. An article, when the word comes in our mind, or if it is started being teaching, students find that article is very simple. We know it, but you make mistake. So no point to neglect this. We'll learn with attention, and it is not only for exam or for educational purposes. In real life, many cases or many situations, you to put article, you to use article, and we make frequently mistake. So we'll learn the things carefully. Well, so did you get it? Well, next move to rule 7. Rule 7 says a sometimes comes before determiners. For example, a few, a little, a lot of, a most, etc. But in the case of many, a or an comes later. So look at the things. Determiner means which determine, like it defines. So I have a few friends. So few is the determiner here. There's a little milk in the jar. Little is a determiner. So before this, we'll take a or an article. But in case of many, it's not like a many. So many are students joined the program. Here you see many are fan welcomed. So in case of determiners, we need to use article a, and only in case of many, a would be placed after many. So if you see the examples, things will be clear to you. I have a few friends coming over. There's a little milk in the jar. Many a friends welcomed, like this. Got it? So to sum up, the rule says in case of if you find determiners, means any words before the noun that determines, that says additional things about the things like adjectives. So in this case, we should take article a. But if you find determiner many there, that very time a would be placed after many. So you see the many are fan welcomed, many are page stoned, many are student is welcomed, this much. But other cases, I have a few friends, there's little milk. In this case, a is placed before the adjectives or determiners. So it's about rule 8, so rule 7. Now let's come rule 8. Rule 8 says in English, some nouns are considered uncountable, such as information, air, advice, salt, fun, and we do not use a or an with these uncountable nouns. You understand? So it apparently looks like they are countable or as they are singular, but if they are uncountable, so in case of such particular words, so that become no article to be used. So if you put a or an there, it will be wrong. So how? She gives good advice, it will be wrong. What is the correct things? She gives good advice. So this type of things we will learn in omission of articles in the next chapter or next segment. There we will learn actually in which cases article not to be used, means when we to put cross article or zero article. So these are the things like, and so far 8 rules we have gone through in case of use of a or an. There are some other rules, but these are the most striking, and if you can cover this and inside 1 or 2 rules, there are many rules covered, so then it will do better, no doubt. You understand? So yesterday we had gone through the rules for the, and today we had gone through rules of a or an. So now the major part of article is finished, and next segment we will go for the omission of articles, then we will do some exercises. So then we will be able to master our articles. So today what we learned, let's have a review. First rule 8 was that in case of consonant sound we to take a. Next it comes in case of vowel sound we to take n. You understand? Then we came to know that though there it says that in case of vowel nouns or vowel sounds, in case of consonant sound there is a fixed a or n, but there are some exceptions like European, university, these much they starts with vowel but they have consonant sounds, or they pronounce like u is used. So in this case we do take a. So $1 note, So one man army, this type of things, like one is there, it starts with vowel but still one expresses numerical values, that's why we'll take A there. And we'll see some cases our H is a consonant but it remains silent. In this case we take N. So H is actually consonant but it expresses vowel sounds, so that's why we'll take N there. Then we saw in case of proper noun, we are not supposed to take any article, but if we need to make the proper noun consonant common noun, that time we'll take A or N. Like so, we saw that example. He thinks he is a Shakespeare. So Nazrul is this much. So if he is a Mashrafi, so in this case we say like he is a Mashrafi. If a boy thinks that he is a Mashrafi, or Robel is a Mashrafi, or Sami is a Mashrafi, so it doesn't mean that Sami becomes Mashrafi, but there are some similarities or there is comparison is made. So in this case we will take article, but in general with proper nouns no article is used. Then we saw if you use any common noun and if it is singular, that time we will take A or N. Understand, common noun and it is singular. So in this case, like I saw a snake, it doesn't mean that I only saw this snake, but rather it expresses random selection. So I saw a snake, this case. Then we came to know that there's some words in before determiners. We see that A is used, like a little, a few. So he has a few friends. So there's a little milk in the glass. But if it's about many, that time A to be used after many. So many are students join the program, like this. And we saw the last that there's some uncountable nouns. They apparently seem to be countable, but they are not countable. So in this case, no article to be used. So that's all for today. Keep fine. Next class we will go for omission of articles. Thank you. Happy study.